You may encounter parents with different attitudes towards toilet learning. Here are a few common ones. Okay, let's explore something that's crucial for the success of toilet learning: collaborating with parents. Consistency between home and school is essential, and that only happens if the staff and parents work together. Leave it to the teachers. They expect the center to handle everything. How about this one? They'll learn when they're older. These parents think that delaying it will make it easier. But in reality, starting when the children show readiness leads to quicker success. Boys just take longer. While this belief is common, readiness is not determined by gender, but by individual development. We know that. When dealing with these attitudes, empathy and clear communication are key. Parents want what's best for their children, but they may not know where to start. To ensure that everyone is on the same page, set clear expectations early. Explain the process and how the parents can support it at home. Define the roles. What does the parent do? What does the teacher do? What do you as the director do? Parents reinforce routines at home, and staff guide at the school, and you provide mediation if necessary. Share a realistic time frame. It's going to take at least 2 to 3 weeks of consistent effort for success. An initial parent letter is a great way to kick off this conversation. It outlines the process and invites parents to actively participate. To ensure that support doesn't stop after that initial conversation, you can help keep parents engaged by providing progress updates so that they know how their child is doing, sharing simple techniques and tips for home routines like regular toilet breaks, and being available for questions. Open communication builds that trust. We've included some templates for those letters at different stages, starting the process updates, and encouraging at-home reinforcement. If parents resist participating, use this simple framework. Acknowledge their concerns, empathize with their feelings, and reassure them. Explain that consistent effort typically leads to success. Let's offer solutions, suggest small, manageable steps that they can take at home. Approaching resistance with empathy helps the parents feel more confident and willing to participate. One of my favorite ways to get everybody involved is a parent meeting. It's a great way to reinforce collaboration and get the parents to work together with each other. We can focus that way on the readiness. What signs are each of them seeing? What are we looking for? What are the expectations? What can parents do at home? What can we do at the school? How long is this going to take? Is the teacher going to be working on toilet learning with children for the next 6 months? No. We'll work on it for a couple weeks here, then ease off, and then if a child is ready to try again in a few more weeks, we'll go again and try to do some intensive toilet learning. Use a brief activity to involve the parents, like discussing different scenarios that might come up and how they could address them. When parents feel informed and engaged, they're more likely to be consistent at home, leading to better results. We all know that toilet learning is a team effort. Clear communication, support, and empathy are essential to success. Next, you'll review sample letters and a meeting agenda to help start these important conversations. Let's keep going.